Hi friends, today we will learn how to fix a no power Lenovo laptop by adding a micro switch modification. These types of keyboards already have a built-in power button, but if it stops working, normally the whole keyboard needs to be replaced. With this trick, you can save that service cost. In this case, the laptop was not powering on. The customer did not want to replace the keyboard because they already use a wireless one. So we decided to add an external power button. First, you must confirm whether the keyboard is really faulty. Remove the keyboard and check if the power on signal is present. In this laptop, the signal was present, so I shorted the signal pin to ground. And the laptop turned on. Finally, confirm the keyboard power button failure. Before doing anything, don't forget to remove the battery. Now remove the keyboard and prepare a small type of strip cable for adding the power on micro switch. Check that the contact points are the same. Next, remove the side panel board to fix the micro button. Under the keyboard's power button area, you will find a black shield. Carefully remove it with a knife. Once removed, the internal lock will be visible. Take a suitable micro button and extend its shaft using a small metal tube. Cut it to the exact height and fix it with a soldering iron. After that, test fit the button in place. Mark the solder position under the board. Drag the common ground point. Yes, this track is ground. Next, prepare the micro button by soldering thin wire pieces for connection. Then clean the area where the ground pin of the micro button will be fixed. Using a knife or something similar after cleaning. Mask the slot points to protect against short circuits near the power button. Once masked, take the micro button with the pre-soldered thin wires for contacts and solder the other side of the button onto the board. Solder carefully at the exact position and test that pressing the button works fine. Now place the board back into the laptop, insert the button shaft through the hole and secure the board with screws. Check if the laptop powers on when pressing the keyboard power button and confirm with a multimeter that the connection is grounded while pressed. If correct, reconnect the panel board connections and prepare a connecting strip for the keyboard socket. Use 2 contacts for soldering, one already grounded from the switch, so only the power on signal is needed. Solder that wire and mask it properly to prevent short circuits. Almost done. Now time to check. Connect the strip we prepared. Lock it safely into the keyboard connector. Reinstall the battery and secure it with screws. Let's power on. Yes, it's working perfectly. Now the mission is completed. Please take extra care when doing this job and always use proper tools. Pack everything neatly back into place. Do a final check and it's done. Let me call the customer. I'm sure they will happy to hear the laptop is fixed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe and good luck with your repair.